Hello, my name is Osman Habe, and today I'll be talking about grade 12 advanced functions. And today I'll be talking about what is a function. So I'll be using an analogy, and that is the analogy of a vending machine. And this analogy is slightly flawed, but this should do the trick to explain the concept of what is a function. So when we press 1 or input 1, we get Coke. When we input 2, we get Pepsi. Whenever we input 3, we get Sprite, and so on and so forth. So this would be the input, and this would be the output, right? Because the input is what you press or what you put in, and the output is what is the resultant or what comes out from the input. So this is a fully functioning vending machine. You press 1, you get Coke. You press 2, you get Pepsi. You press 3, you get Sprite. But what if when you press 3, you can also get water? Then this vending machine is not functioning. Because why? Because when you press 3, sometimes you get Sprite and sometimes you get water. So in order for the definition basically of a function is whenever you input something, you get one specific output. And the book defines a function as a relation in which there is a unique input for an output. What is a relation, you may ask, right? Relation, a relationship. A relation is basically a set of ordered pairs.